In this video, we'll go over some tips and tricks for wrapping deep channels in 3M Wrap Film Series 2080 G12 Gloss Black. This film features 3M's new protective film layer, which greatly reduces surface impressions and prevents installation-related scratching. Fold up a small piece of liner and tape it in place on one side of the channel. This will allow air to be pushed out during installation. Make sure the film is as flat as possible before beginning to squeegee, as this will help prevent any wrinkling. Squeegee all flat portions of the panel, leaving the channels bridged. Spray down the fingers of a wrap glove with a 70-30 mixture of isopropyl alcohol to lower sliding friction before beginning the channel. Heat the entire channel thoroughly until the material relaxes and all wrinkles have disappeared. Keeping the channel warm, use a finger to push the material into the inside corner of the channel. Always ensure that the finger makes a dragging motion instead of a pushing motion wherever possible. Repeat this process on the outer wall of the channel. Leave the area surrounding the liner insert untacked until the end of this process. After removing the liner, slowly work the remaining material flat, ensuring that any trapped air bubbles are popped and removed immediately. As an industry first, the entire channel can be wrapped with the protective film layer in place. The liner may bridge during the heating of the film, but should be left on to prevent any scratching. Always make sure to post-heat after removal of the protective layer to ensure proper adhesion.